Well, I'm Jon Gough. I handle the IT at Bowling and Co Solicitors. We were previously with a supplier that came to an end, that arrangement, due to changes in the technology and other things. Then the enormity of the task sort of hit us because we were changing everything all at the same time. And it just became very apparent that a lot of the things that we wanted to do at Wavenet were very comfortable doing. So that's why we made the commitment we did. We thought, right, we'll go with them. We've sort of stuck our toe in the water with one or two bits that were urgent. And since then, we've just developed that and gone to more and more things and gradually increased the sort of the footprint of their involvement in our business, and everything seems to be going okay. It's, as I said, it is a major change, but it's all been very good. So I'm really happy with the way things are developing, and we're very happy with Wavenet generally.